Give me the camera. Don't use the camera.
We came here the other day and we are requesting for documents. Not me.
Nobody opens this door.
I'll not come alone, I'll come with the media. I cannot come alone for my security, I cannot come alone.
Stay there.
Let me in. Nimewacha mimi ofisa hivi. Ngoja. Sikiza.
Have you called OCS? Lock the door?
They are operating, they don't have any documents. These are residentials and they are operating illegally. And they are being protected by government officers. Our police officers are protecting impunity. I think it's the time to fix the mess. This place is in Kilimani, near Yaya, Wings Cadet Road. You can see. You can see behind me here, these are residential. There are people living here. These are all residential. These are all residentials. But then you'll find that as we are acting, we ask Kenyans to support us. And also, as we post on our media platform, kindly support us to help us stop these illegal entertainment joints that are operating in residentials and playing loud music, causing noise pollution.
Just to let you know that I have with or without your consent. So I'm just politely asking you to open for me to wait.
Okay, just wait.
Finish the